Galaxy Watch. Let's take a look. The color is rose gold and it's 42 millimeters. You can get one of these in the description. When you get a watch like this one, you want it to feel premium more than anything else. This one is brought to you by Korea. Galaxy is packaged just like the sport model. It's very similar, but if you can, I would spend a little extra and pick up this one. It's a little bit more premium. There are a few little differences, but the wheel is still here, and it's the best feature. It feels a little bit more tactile in this edition of the watch. Heart rate sensor got an overhaul, they added a speaker to make it tick, and microphone decided to migrate. Inside the box, you get a manual, you get a charging stand, you get a cable, and also a longer strap. It's a nice little addition, but I feel like most people won't even need it. Every day you're already charging your phone. You don't need another device to plug a cable into. It needs to be seamless. Samsung gives you a wireless stand, you put your watch right on it, and in an hour or so, you get a full charge. I really like it. It's a nice feature. The display is bright and vivid. I usually turn it down to preserve battery life. The watch is truly gorgeous, especially in this color option. Overall, I give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me here.